Hello everybody, this is Bui from mamaboiskitchen. I hope we are having a great day. Today guys, we are going to be making chicken tender Gatsby sandwich. This chicken tender Gatsby sandwich guys is packed with deliciousness, spicy chicken tenders, lightly caramelized onions, golden fresh chips, and spicy honey mustard sauce on a toasted sesame buns. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. In a small bowl, add mayonnaise. We're gonna also add in garlic salt, followed by stone ground dijon. We're gonna also add in apple cider vinegar, followed with honey, then cayenne pepper. Mix all that together, then cover and let it chill in the refrigerator until ready to use. Now let's move on to work on the onions. Here guys, I have onions. I have cut them into 1/2 inch thickness. Now I'm gonna show you how I did it. Just cut them into rings. Next, heat oil in a medium skillet over medium heat. Add onions, then season with salt and black pepper. Cook onions, stirring occasionally for about 5 minutes. Saute lightly but still crunchy. Now let's move on to work on the spicy chicken tenders. Here in my bowl guys, I have about 1.5 pound chicken tenderloins. So we're gonna go ahead and marinate them. Into the chicken tenderloins, we're gonna add garlic salt, followed by paprika. You're gonna also add in Cajun seasoning, onion powder, then buttermilk. Guys, buttermilk acts as a tenderizer which makes the chicken juicy, also as a binding agent for the first coat of seasoned flour. Last but not least, hot sauce. It's gonna spice it up, that chicken tenders guys, yumminess. Then we're gonna cover it with a plastic wrap, then let it chill in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Next, we're gonna cut the fresh chips. I know here they are called French fries. You have to cut them thick guys, like steak fries size. If you know the steak fries, that's the size we are aiming at. Cut all the potatoes and place them in the water and rinse thoroughly to remove starch. Next, pat dry the chips with a clean kitchen towel. In a medium Dutch oven, heat oil. Carefully add potatoes to hot oil. You need to cook for 5 to 6 minutes, turning occasionally, and once the chips float to the top and stay on the surface of the oil, they are done. Remove fresh chips and place them on a plate lined with paper towels. Now let's move on to work on our tenders. Here in my flour, I'm gonna add paprika. I'm gonna also add in salt and black pepper. Give it a good stir. Now it's time to cook our tenders. Next, we're gonna dredge the chicken into the flour, coating well. Shake off excess flour. Then we're gonna add about 5 pieces at a time. Fry the chicken until golden brown on each side, about 6 to 8 minutes. Once fried, you can keep the chicken tenders crispy on a baking sheet in a low oven at 175 degrees while you finish frying the remaining chicken tenders. The low temperature will ensure the chicken tenders stay juicy too. They won't dry out as the oven isn't hot enough to dry them unless you leave them there for hours. And also guys, make sure you don't cover the chicken tenders as it will create steam, which will ruin the texture of the crispy chicken tenders. The chicken tenders are done. Now we're gonna move on and toast our buns. Over medium-high heat, melt the butter, then toast the buns until they are browned. I'm so excited guys. Now it's time to assemble our sandwich. Spread generous amount layer of spicy honey mustard mayo on each bun. Top with sweet bread and butter pickles. I like to put 4 guys. We're gonna follow with onions. Guys, I can't wait to dig into this. Now we're gonna load it with fresh chips. Followed with spicy honey mustard sauce, then the chicken tenders. Guys, I can't wait to dig into this. Then honey spicy mustard sauce, then follow with the onions. Now place the top of the bun and you are ready to munch this. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Until next time guys, bye. Honey for my heart.